Students, this is Ashok Kumar Rajawat, PGT Chemistry, KV Bharatpur. In our previous class, we have studied about acid, bases and salt and indicators also. Now, we will read about natural indicators. Natural indicators. Indicators are those substances which changes their color when treated with acid and base. The first indicator is litmus paper or litmus solution. Litmus is a natural indicator obtained from lichens. It is available in the form of solution and red litmus as strip paper also. In distilled water, its color is purple. In acidic solution, it turns to red, and basic solution it turns to blue. Now, by reading all these lines, all these paragraph, you come to know that acid converts blue litmus to red and base converts red litmus to blue. Now, by applying the litmus solution on various substances, we will come to know about their effect on litmus. We will perform an activity for this.
The next indicator is litmus solution or litmus paper. It is obtained from lichens. When an acid is treated with blue litmus, it turns to red. Where when base is treated with red litmus, it turns to blue. Now we can understand that acid prefers red color where base prefers blue color. It means acid will turn blue litmus to red and base will turn red litmus to blue. Now observe these two strips. These are red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Now you know that a base turns red litmus to blue. Now you can see that the red litmus is turned to blue. Now we are applying acid to blue litmus. Now you can see that an acid turned blue litmus to red. Blue litmus.
Now, the next indicator is turmeric. Turmeric is a natural indicator obtained from turmeric. It can be used as turmeric solution or as turmeric paper. In acidic solution, it turns to red. In basic solution, it turns to there will be no change in basic solution. To understand this, we will perform an activity.
Indicator is turmeric, haldi, which is easily available in our kitchen. If you treat acid with turmeric, there will be no change in color of turmeric. But if you treat base with turmeric, the color of turmeric will change to dark red. For acid, you can take lemon juice. For base, you can take soap solution. So this activity can be done at home easily. Now, we are having turmeric in 2 bowls. We are having turmeric in 2 bowls. Now, I am adding this solution in turmeric. Now you can see that the color of the turmeric is changed to dark red. It means the solution which we have added is a base, the soap solution. Now I am adding this solution in turmeric. So it became wet only, there is no change in color of turmeric, but in this case the color is changed to dark red. So when acid is treated with turmeric, the color, there is no change in color. If we are treating base with turmeric, the color will turn to dark red.
Dear students, the third indicator is China rose. China rose is flower of Gudhal. China rose is a natural indicator obtained from the petals of China rose flower. It is used as China rose solution. In acidic solution, it turns to dark pink magenta color. In basic solution, it turns green. To understand this, we will perform an activity.
Friends, now we will study about indicators, the substances which changes color when treated with acid or base. Indicators are those substances which tells about nature of substance, whether it is acid or base. There are many natural indicators we have. The first one is China rose extract. China rose extract. The China rose is known as Gudhal. Now, if we treat acid with China rose extract, it will give magenta color, that is dark pink, where base gives green color with China rose extract. These two test tubes are having China rose extracts. Now we are dropping acid. We are dropping acid in this China rose extract. Now you can see that we can observe magenta color. It means this substance is giving magenta color with China rose extract, so it is acid. Now we are adding base in China rose extract. Now observe the color. So the color of China rose extract is turned to green color. It means the substance which we are adding now is a base. So by this way we can come to know about nature of substance using of China rose extract.
Now, students, you will ask now that how we can get China rose extract. We can make China rose extract as follows.
Dear student, this is how we can make China rose extract, for which we have to put the flowers in hot water. This extract can be used to identify acid and base. Dear student,